What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Pipe Cleaner Princess, and today we are going to be making Heihei pipe cleaner Mickey ears. Now, if you don't know, Heihei is from Moana, and he is a chicken, and he is awesome. So, yeah, the pipe cleaners that you are going to be needing are 3 blue pipe cleaners, 2 white pipe cleaners, 2 purple pipe cleaners, 1 yellow pipe cleaner, 1 green pipe cleaner, 1 dark blue pipe cleaner, 1 light blue pipe cleaner, 1 black pipe cleaner, and 1 red pipe cleaner. And, of course, scissors. You're going to start by taking 2 of the blue pipe cleaners and the yellow pipe cleaner. So these 2 blue pipe cleaners are going to be the base of your Mickey ears. So you are going to twist them at the end, and you are going to take the other end and you are going to twist them together as well. And then you are going to take your yellow pipe cleaner, and this is going to be your arch. So you're going to twist the yellow pipe cleaner onto the place that you twisted these 2 pipe cleaners. And you're going to take the other end and you are going to twist them on the other side as well. Now, if I'm going fast, definitely pause the video, do it, and then replay it. Now you are going to take back your 2 white pipe cleaners, and they are going to be the Mickey ears. So you're going to take one of your white pipe cleaners and you are going to twist it on the arch about right here. So you're going to wrap it around the yellow pipe cleaner. And then you're going to take the other side of the white pipe cleaner, you're going to bend it down, and you're going to twist the end right next to the place you twisted the other end of the white on. And now you're going to make sure it looks like a Mickey ear by rounding it out and making it circular. And now you are going to do the same thing, and you are going to make another white pipe cleaner Mickey ear. Now that you got your Mickey ears, you are now going to set this whole thing aside, and you are going to be making Heihei's tail. Now, Heihei's tail is very colorful, but the colors that you will be needing for his tail are your dark blue one, your blue one, your light blue one, and your green one. Now for the tail, so it's going to be in this order. So make sure you put your pipe cleaners in this order. So the dark blue, then the light blue, then the green. And now for his tail, so you're going to have about like this, and you're going to make the green one, you are going to curve it like that, so that it's just a little curve. You're going to take the blue one, and you're going to want to make the blue one a bit longer than the green one. So you're going to curve it so that it's like above it. And with the light blue one, you're going to want to make it even bigger than the regular blue one. So you're going to curve this one, and then you are going to use your dark blue one and you're going to make it the biggest one. So you're going to curve that. Now move it around, see how you like it, and once you are satisfied on how you like it, you're going to make sure it's all still, and you're going to take one of the pipe cleaners, and I'm going to take the green one, and you're just going to wrap it around so that they all stay still. Now you can use the whole green pipe cleaner, but I'm not. So I'm going to take back my scissors and I am going to cut it off. And definitely reuse this for another pipe cleaner or put it in your practice pipe cleaners. So just finish it off by wrapping it, and then make sure it looks good and straighten it out. There you go. So that's his tail. Now you're going to take back your Mickey ear, and now you are going to make the tail, and you are going to tie it on the back. So make sure you know which way is going to be facing front, and you are going to put the tail in the back. So you're going to want the tail to be facing like that so that it's kind of like swooshing that way. So you're going to take it, you're going to make sure it's in the middle of the back, and you are going to put it right there, and you're going to wrap the pipe cleaners around. Now, if that's too hard, you can cut off the pipe cleaners and only use one to wrap it around. But I'm going to wrap one at a time. So just wrap it around in the center. And you're just going to want to make sure it's secure and that it's not droopy at all. And so once you've twisted it on enough and you like it, again, make sure it's straightened and you like it. And then if you like it like that, you are going to take back your scissors and you are going to cut off these extra pipe cleaners that you used to twist it on. And then definitely reuse these. So that is Heihei's tail. And now we are going to work on this area because it kind of seems plain. So we are going to make the Mickey ears Heihei's eyeballs because they are obnoxiously huge. So that's what you're going to do with the black. So you're going to take your black, you are going to fold it in half so that it's exactly halfway. So you're going to bend it, you're going to open it back up and see that crease that you made when you bent it. You're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut it. And so now that you have two small little black pipe cleaners that are the same length. And now you are going to roll the black pipe cleaner up so that it is a little circle. So you're going to want to make it pretty big so that people can see that it is an eyeball. So I'm going to make mine that big. You can make yours bigger, smaller, whatever you like. And I'm going to make it looking that way. But you can make it look any direction. So anything's cool. So I'm going to wrap this black pipe cleaner around the white pipe cleaner. Oh my gosh, that's annoying. So now you got an eyeball. And now if you want to, you can take your purple pipe cleaner and you are going to outline the white pipe cleaner with it. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's really distracting me. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm just going to do that. Now. So you're going to twist the purple pipe cleaner at the place you twisted the white pipe cleaner. And you are just going to make it go around. And you're just going to twist it onto the yellow arch. And now make sure it looks good. Now you don't have to do this, it's definitely optional. So yeah, and then you are going to want to make sure that the purple and the white are connected. So you are going to need a scrap little piece of white pipe cleaner. Before I do that, I am going to make the other eyeball for the other one. So you are going to roll it up, try to make it the same size as the other one. So I'm going to fast forward me doing this and tying it on. So yeah. There you go. As you can see, I did move the eyeball a different angle because when you look at Heihei, his eyeballs, they're kind of looking in different directions. So yeah. So you're going to take your little scrap of white pipe cleaner and you are going to twist the purple and the white pipe cleaner together with the little scrap. And you're going to do the same to the other side. And now we are going to make a little red thing because that's what chickens have. So you're going to take your red pipe cleaner and you are going to kind of make so you're going to go up like here and then you're going to make a little point. And you're going to make another point. Then you're going to make another point. Now this is just very quickly done, so I'm definitely going to fix it. I'm going to fix it by making it pointy. And yep, so I'm going to open them back up. And then, so you can have it kind of like that. So yeah, I'm going to twist it onto the arch. Once you do that, you are finally done with your Heihei pipe cleaner Mickey ears. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!